In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the complete workflow for printing graphics on vinyl using the MUTOH Xpertjet C641Sr Pro, followed by steps for pressing that print onto textile. Step 1. Media loading. Begin by feeding the vinyl through the rear media guide. Watch the alignment marks. Lower the pressure rollers. Ensure the vinyl is perfectly straight to avoid head strikes. Step 2. Printing the image. In Vertilith, you'll typically drag and drop your file into a hot folder, and this printer supports these print and cut file formats. Before sending the job, double-check your print settings. Select the correct media type you loaded earlier, which is vinyl. You can also adjust your print quality and finalize the printing and cutting settings. Once you're satisfied, send the job. The printer will start heating the platen, and the carriage will begin to move. Step 3. Post-printing and weeding. Once the print is finished, depending on your application, if you are using a contour cut, it will start to cut the outline. Then you can use the sheet cutter to trim your media straight. Place the weeded graphic on a clean surface, ensuring no dust to the printed side. Use transfer tape to make weeded vinyl easy to transfer on textile. Step 4. Heat press preparation. Set your heat press to 145 degrees Celsius or 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the timer for 10 to 15 seconds for a hot peel. Step 5. Pressing the transfer. Now take your printed vinyl, position your graphic on the garment carefully. Once it's set, do not move it. Close the press. Apply firm, even pressure. Start the timer for 10 seconds. When the timer goes off, open the press. If this is a hot peel vinyl, you will remove the vinyl backing immediately while it's hot. If this is a cold peel vinyl, let the garment cool completely on the press table for about 60 to 90 seconds, then remove the backing. Step 6. Final press. After removing the vinyl carrier, place the Teflon sheet back over the design. Press again for 5 to 10 seconds using medium pressure. To ensure durability and a soft hand feel, you now have a vibrant, durable transfer applied to your textile. Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit texgraph.com.